Hello children, welcome back. I hope you had a lovely long weekend. Now I'm going to remind you of what we've been covering so far in maths. We've been learning about fractions. A fraction is an equal part of a whole. Here are some new vocabulary. The numerator is the top number of a fraction. It shows how many equal parts we have. So for this one, we have 1/4, 1 out of 4 pieces coloured purple. And for this picture, we have 3 purple coloured out of 4, 3/4. Here we have the denominator. The denominator is the bottom number of a fraction. It shows how many equal parts the whole has been divided into. For this one, the denominator is 4 because there are 4 equal parts. And for this one, the denominator is 3 because it has been divided into 3 parts. We call that a third. Equal means the same amount. A whole, something that is complete, one object or one quantity, one whole pizza. We have 4 parts, we have one whole. Half, if a whole is divided into 2 equal parts, each part is a half. We are going to be looking at thirds again today. Can you remember what a third is? If a whole is divided into 3 equal parts, each part is a third. The whole cake has been split into 3 equal parts. Each part is worth a third. This is the same as 1/3, third. Let's get ready to find a third of quantities today. I'm going to teach you 2 ways to work out a third of a quantity. If we want to work out a third of 9, first you need 9 practical resources. I'm going to use pasta pieces. I've got 3 bowls, yellow, pink and green, and now I'm going to share them out equally. One. Now as you can see, there are 3 in each bowl. A third of 9 equals 3. In the same way, if we wanted to find out what a third of 15 is, we have 15 pasta pieces, and in the same way we share them between the 3 bowls. 1. If you look closely, there are 5 in each bowl. A third of 15 equals 5. Another way we can work out a third of a quantity is to use the bar model. So if we want to work out a third of 9, what we can do is draw the bar model. So the bar at the top is the whole, which is 9, and we're going to split this into 3 parts. So what we have to do, we have to put 9 equally in the 3 parts, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we count out how many there are in each part. And they should be equal. 1, 2, 3 there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A third of 9 equals 3. What if we had to work out a third of 12? In the same way, we draw our rectangle. At the top, this is the whole, 12, and then we split the next part into 3 parts. And this means that the 12 at the top we are trying to split equally into 3 parts. So we need to fill in some circles. So 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Count how many in each part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Equally. So a third of 12 equals 4. There we go. You can choose either way to work out the third of a quantity. Right everyone, I'd like you to choose either the bar modelling technique or the sharing, and I'd like you to answer these 6 questions. Once you have answered them, make sure you send me a photograph of it so we can mark it for you, and then I'd like you to choose the mild, spicy or hot activity, take a photograph of your learning and send it to us on Google Classroom. Remember, if you're confident using bar modelling, use that. If you prefer to use practical resources like pasta or counters to share out equally between 3, you can do that too. It's entirely up to you, whatever you feel most comfortable doing. Good luck everyone.